Hello everyone, on behalf of Dharmabhati Mission, I Deshna Avasti welcome you all to this wonderful session. So today I'll be introducing you to a really great personality, Mr. KP Singh. Mr. KP Singh sir is an educationalist and is the founder and CEO of IMFS, which is India's largest test prep centers for students going abroad. He is also keen to help educate the unprivileged children, and so he joined the DBM team. He advises DBM on activities under the educational vertical and is also the current president of Navshrishti International Trust, which is the parent trust of DBM. So before moving ahead, I would like to congratulate you, sir, as it is a big news that DBM has received the GuideStar Indian Champion Level Platinum Certificate for the year 2020, which is a big achievement. So the first question that I want to put up is that can you please tell us more about the certificate, what it stands for, and why DBM has been given this certificate?
Absolutely. So, to get the certificate from GuideStar India by itself is a wonderful achievement. And to get the champion level platinum certification is a great feather in our cap. And to achieve this for the last so many years in a row is a clear indication that Team DBM is on the right track, serving the poor, the needy of India, and empowering dreams that could have otherwise not seen reality. And to get this from GuideStar India is by itself a wonderful achievement. And therefore, on behalf of the entire DBM team, we gratefully acknowledge this wonderful honor bestowed upon us. Thank you so much.
Great. So, sir, I have another question like, how is it gonna help your stakeholders, like your funders, donors, and community?
So GuideStar India by itself is a wonderful kind of an administrator of the kind of work put in by the NGOs. It does deep scrutiny of all the accounts put in, and therefore the donors can rest assured that when DBM gets scrutinized by a wonderful organization like GuideStar India, it is a clear indication that the monies are being put to good use. We are not squandering away the money, rather all of it is spent on the reason why it was donated. And therefore, to every donor out there, this is again underscoring the fact that in addition to selfless service done by DBM, we're also doing a very morally ethical service as well. And it should therefore empower a donor to probably put in more money into DBM and therefore empowering the dreams of the youth of India.
Also, sir, like according to the datas, the recent datas, it has been very clear that very few NGOs get this award. So, what do you think about this award, and what did Dharma Bharati Mission did to achieve this award?
So obviously, the kind of work that we have done on the ground in slums across Mumbai, where we lured students at a very junior level and right up to the 10th standard to schools with a very wholesome and nutritious midday meal. But we also ensured that they interacted with our student volunteers from colleges across Mumbai and thereby enriching the minds of these students. And that again was a very clear indicator of the kind of work DBM has done. Not only have we empowered the minds of young children, but we also have rolled out services for girls from underprivileged families. We've also ensured that women get some kind of work put in with our tailoring classes, with beautician classes, and also teaching them not only these, but computer and IT skills. And resultantly, our tie-up with Cisco has proved to be very beneficial, which empowers students to learn advanced courses in networks and CCNA. And all of this has ensured that the people who pass out from our various batches across Mumbai have therefore gainfully been employed. So people who had no hopes or were looking at a dismal future now are taking home close to 30 to 40,000 rupees a month. And that's a sea change brought across in slums in Mumbai. And that is one of the reasons why DBM is one of the very few NGOs to receive this kind of certification and award, for which once again we are very deeply grateful.